The SinoGlass Group are industry leaders with more than 500 employees, with 2,150,000 square feet of design, engineering, manufacture, and marketing, fulfilling the SinoGlass vision, quality products for households worldwide. But how did we get this far?
I started my company in the year of 2000. 25 years ago, if you happen to go to the trade shows in China, it's very hard to find the different materials combined together. You want to buy a glass jar with a metal lid. Too bad. It's one of the first differentiators I found SinoGlass could do better. Not every company has this ability to do multiple materials into one product. Glass, wood, stainless steel, silicon. SinoGlass is like the leader of this supply chain. Our factory is running under the lean method.
5 or 6 years ago, we received an email from a client. We began implementing lean production. We believe that for production to run smoothly, first and foremost, quality must be excellent.
Quality is a system. It's not how many QC people you have. It's how well you establish your system. I like people to be involved, to volunteer the ideas. I have so many talented people. I'm very proud of them.
And I like working in SinoGlass because I can do all the creative things I like.
Management is very thorough and excellent.
The environment is better, the atmosphere is better, prospects are better.
What I love most is the workshop's environment. Company culture and management are excellent.
I love working here because the team is great. The company is very creative.
SinoGlass is particularly strong at developing new products for our customers.
We don't just manufacture products for them, we collaborate with clients to conquer the market, empowering their products with greater competitiveness to achieve commercial success. As a product-driven company, our R&D is absolutely critical. We currently hold over 170 design patents and nearly 100 utility model patents. This represents years of accumulation and nearly 100 utility model patents. Our annual R&D budget is about 5%. That's a significant expense. That's why we implemented the IPD system to improve both quality and efficiency.
The IPD system is based on American theory called PACE or Stage Gate theory.
As designers, our main job is to analyze and summarize the needs of our customers using design language, apply them to our product designs, and provide customers with satisfactory concept designs that meet their needs and requirements. IPD means Integrated Product Development.
We are actually gathering all the people from different departments, production, design, engineering team, even the marketing and sales, also financial team to monitor the whole investment.
You have an idea. Sometimes takes half a year to launch. Now with our IPD system, we maybe only take 2 or 3 months. That's number one benefit to the customer.
Now clients see us not just as a supplier, but as an innovation partner.
A strategic innovation partner.
Hi, my name is Claudia. I'm from Miami since 2015. Every year we come here, visit you, and buy from you. We have seen new lines here that we really like, so we're kind of like here picking the new products and writing everything down.
Currently, we have 4 major production bases: our Qingdao Industrial Park, Yongkang Industrial Park, Gaomi Manufacturing Center, and we're building a Thailand Industrial Park.
Soon I will relocate to our Thailand facility to serve as production manager there. We expect our new facility to be ready for mass production in July.
We want our customer to have the global flexibility to be manufactured outside China. The model is going to be designed by our customer, co-developed by the customer and SinoGlass, and manufactured globally. That's my dream.